project that I was working on the whole entire week. Oh my goodness, guys, this is the biggest traveler's notebook I've ever created. It's like a traveler's notebook within a traveler's notebook, if that makes sense. But once we get inside of it, it'll make sense. And inside of it, it's just like a traveler's notebook. So let me show you the inside. Let me just show it to you so you have to figure. I'm working with one hand here, guys, so bear with me. So when you open it up, guys, let me show you. It's huge. It's the biggest thing ever. I love it. These are huge pockets. And I have some journaling cards. I try to find the biggest ones that I can to fit in these, and this is the good side. This is the biggest size I can find. The journaling cards. I will be adding more things to this, and then I made this cute little big, huge, gigantic shaker just to decorate it and make it look pretty. And I put that in there, and this big pocket I put in there too, you know. And then in here, it's so beautiful. I love this. I came up with this idea because I want to make a huge notebook and put some things there, but I was like, I decided not to do that. I end up making this organizer, like a box organizer, where I can actually put my journals inside of it, organize my journals, and you know, whatever journal I'm working on, it has all the materials and everything in one. So this is like a traveler's notebook slash organizer kit, I would call it. And when you open it up, guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love the way it turned out, guys. So I made this little box. I made the whole entire compact. I just separate boxes in between so I can organize and put other different things inside of it. Right here, like here, right here I'm gonna start with the top. Right here has all the fabrics and everything that I put, that I'm gonna be using for the journal, specifically for the traveler's notebook. And then I have the washi tapes that I put here, and some more accessories to put on there, clips and everything. There's some pens back there as well to write with. And then they have some more accessories, stickers and stuff like that inside of there. And then in the bottom one, you guys, a lot of you guys are obviously seen this before in one of my videos. I created this, and I figured this perfect in there because I use the same kind of collection, the same collection I use, and I wanted to put that in there. I think that looks beautiful. And then there's another one I made, and this is to put all of my sorry guys, I'm working one hand. All of the stickers and stuff like that I'm gonna put in here. It's empty right now, so I'm gonna be filling it up. Stickers and things that I'm gonna put in my journal. And that's that for that. We leave that out there. And then inside of this box here, which is beautiful, I love the way it looks. Look at that, butterfly flowers. I love the gold accent. It just pops it out even more, guys. So let me go ahead and open this up so you can see the inside of it. And look at it. So, and this stores the journal inside of it, guys. And it's just beautiful. It stores a journal as well as the sticker book. I have a sticker book back there. And I just love it. Look at that beautiful journal, guys. So I want you guys to see the details of this. It's so beautiful, guys. I just love it. And this is a journal that I made. The same collection that I worked with when I made this one here. You guys, many of you guys familiar with it because you saw the video. I have the video, just recently did the video. And it's the same collection I use. I just wanted to go with a theme. And this is a beautiful theme right here. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the way that turned out, guys. And then I put a pen. And I got this from Dollar Tree in the middle there. And I think it turned out to be beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Yes, so that is that. So the whole thing is a cute, beautiful kit that I made, organizing kit specifically for my journal. So it's an organizing kit for my traveler's notebook to store my stuff in, as well as a huge, big traveler's notebook. It's like 2-in-1. So I love it. So it's shaped like a traveler's notebook, and then inside of it has a traveler's notebook kit organizer to organize all my stuff. And that's what I put all my things inside of there. And it fits perfect, guys. It fits so beautiful in there. I love it. And then yeah, it took me about 2 days to put this together, guys. You know, and I was happy when it turned out, and I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It's beautiful, and I love it, guys. It is so beautiful. Yeah, gorgeous.